Driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol, the DUI law. Studies indicate that marijuana and other drugs also affect judgment and motor functions, making driving under the influence of drugs other than alcohol dangerous. It is unlawful for any person to drive or to be in physical control of an automobile or other motor-driven vehicle on any public street, highway, road, or alley, or while on the premises of any shopping center, trailer park, or any apartment house complex, or any place frequented by public while under the influence of an intoxicant, marijuana, narcotic drug, or drugs producing stimulating effects on the central nervous system. Or 2, while the alcohol concentration of the operator's blood or breath is 0.08% or higher. It is not only unlawful if the alcohol concentration of a person's blood or breath is 0.08, but also for the first conviction there is a presumption that the defendant's ability to drive is sufficiently impaired to constitute a DUI violation. On second or subsequent offenses, a blood alcohol of 0.08 would create a presumption of intoxication. Strictly speaking, a driver can register a blood alcohol of 0.00 and still be convicted of a DUI. The level of BAC does not clear a driver when it is below a presumed level of intoxication. If a law enforcement officer observes such things as erratic driving behavior or maintaining an inappropriate speed such as too fast or too slow, this would be cause for stopping the vehicle and to investigate. Further sobriety checks could lead to the conclusion that the driver was indeed driving under the influence of an intoxicant, narcotic drug, or other drug producing stimulating effects to the central nervous system, including prescription drugs. If you have any doubt about your ability to drive, do not get behind the wheel. DUIs are expensive. Besides being extremely dangerous and against the law, DUIs are costly. In addition to the fine and court costs, a person charged with DUI can be faced with posting bond to get released from jail, attorney's fees, loss of time from work to attend court hearings, fees for an alcohol safety course, increased insurance premiums, and other expenses. This can add up to several $1,000s. Did you know? 1. Alcohol in any concentration is a depressant, not a stimulant. Alcohol slows all nervous impulses and body functions. The false feeling of stimulation with small doses comes from lessening of inhibitions due to a particular portion of the brain controlling that part of behavior being relaxed. 2. The amount of alcohol in one bottle of beer is about equal to that of a 1-ounce shot of whiskey. 3. When alcohol is consumed, it quickly reaches the brain where it, in effect, short-circuits the part that controls judgments, emotions, and confidence. 4. The first thing affected after drinking alcohol is a person's judgment. 5. Reliable research studies show that 2 or 3 drinks of alcohol impair the driving ability of most individuals. 6. It is unlawful for any person with a BAC of 0.08 or more to drive a vehicle. 7. It takes about 1 hour to cancel the effects of 1 drink. It takes about 3 hours to cancel the intoxicating effect of 3 drinks. 8. Alcohol-related vehicle accidents are the #1 killer of people under the age of 40. 9. Many drugs, including miracle drugs, can impair your ability to drive. They can make an ill person feel well enough to drive, but can also affect alertness, judgment, coordination, and vision. 10. The combination of alcohol and other depressant drugs, such as antihistamines, may be more dangerous to health and highway safety than the effect of either the alcohol or drugs alone.